finally getting around to doing something I've been talking about for a long time. Show you how I make some money in the off season, buying and selling cars, mostly off Craigslist. I usually pick up stuff I know I'm familiar with, mostly GM rear-wheel drive V8 cars. Lately it's been stuff about 20 years old because they're very inexpensive, plentiful in the salvage yards, junkyards, parts are cheap. So if you can do your own labor and you have the tools and the means and the place to work on them, it's definitely a great way to make some extra cash. This car was in typical shape for being 22 years old, with some faded paint and interior issues, but overall I saw potential. It seems like no matter what year, make, model, or what you want to fix on the car, you can find how to fix it on YouTube. Another way to save money is to do the work yourself, whether it's body work, interior, or mechanical. Plasti-Dip is an economical way to make the outside of the car look better. I purchased a Plasti-Dip spray gun a few years back for a previous project. One place people often overlook is the interior, especially leather seats. It is very economical to replace just certain panels of the seats that need to be replaced, and it makes a huge difference on the interior. Overall, the car ran and drove great without any mechanical issues. It had warm heat and cold AC. Pressure washing the engine bay is a great way to clean up underneath the hood, and free if you already have a pressure washer. When pressure washing in the engine bay, especially in LT1, be sure to avoid the ignition coil, ignition module, and OptiSpark. Having done this in the past many times, I have a lot of leftover inventory, which really cuts down on the costs. Salvage yards and eBay is a great place to pick up used parts very inexpensively. The honeycomb taillights really complete the rear end. It took about 3 days and 14 different junkyards to find a matching pair, but I think it was worth it. Now the interior looks great with a clean carpet, no holes, Nice leather seats without any rips or tears, and the outside looks pretty good too. Again, more free parts from the inventory I've collected over the years of doing this. Well, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. Maybe a couple minor things I could do to it, but it's pretty much done for now. Maybe someday put a real paint job on it, but looks good, works good. Every single thing on the car works. Every power accessory, everything about it, it mechanically runs and drives fine. What do you think it's worth now? I'm all in at $1,700, did the work myself.